Hey everyone, today we're tackling an evaluate the argument question. Let's break it down step by step. Read the argument first. Now, what's the reasoning? First, we are told that margins are shrinking. Second, costs are rising. At the same time, customers won't pay more. Since margins can't be fixed, the burger should be dropped. The conclusion in the argument is that the COO recommends dropping the burger. So the core assumption is that there's no way to restore margins except raising price. If that's not true, then the recommendation might not hold, right? Let's check the answer choices. Option A. Are there supplier or process changes that could lower the burger's unit cost without hurting quality? This directly addresses the margin issue. If costs can be lowered, margins can recover without raising prices, undermining the COO's conclusion. If not, the conclusion is stronger. This is exactly the kind of question that tests the argument's assumption. Strong answer. Keep it. Option B. Would new garnishes make the burger more share-worthy on social media? That might help marketing or brand buzz, but the COO's argument is about margins per unit, not visibility. Garnishes don't solve the cost versus price constraint, not directly useful. Option C. Do competitors charge more for similar burgers? Even if they do, the COO already says our customers resist price increases. Competitor pricing doesn't change that resistance, so it doesn't evaluate the logic. Option D. What percentage of our total revenue comes from the burger? This tells us how exposed the business is to the burger. But the argument is about whether the burger is profitable on a per-unit basis, not whether it's important in revenue terms. It's informative, but doesn't test the reasoning about margins. Option E. Could a loyalty program increase visit frequency among burger buyers? That could increase sales volume, but the COO's concern is margins per burger, not overall traffic. Selling more units at a low margin doesn't fix the basic problem. So the most useful question is option A. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.